You can't buy happiness, but you can buy a motorcycle, and that's basically the same thing.
Here are 5 of the best adventure bikes for beginners. Number 1, BMW G310 GS. The BMW G310 GS is the little brother of, arguably, the most popular adventure bike in the world, the R1250 GS. However, unlike its bigger brother, the G310 GS is a very approachable and capable adventure bike for beginners. The 313 cubic centimeters single cylinder produces 34 horsepower and 28 nanometers of torque, which is a very manageable figure for those just starting out. The BMW G310 GS retails for P300,000 and already comes with an array of premium features, including an anti-lock brake system, a digital gauge, an LED headlight and taillight, and a whole lot more. Number 2, Royal Enfield Himalayan. If you're looking at spending a lot of time on the dirt, look no further. The Royal Enfield Himalayan, with its fuel-injected 411 cubic centimeters single cylinder and an off-road oriented 21-inch front wheel, can take on nearly all kinds of terrain without breaking a sweat. What makes the Himalayan a great choice for beginners would be the very approachable power output of 25 horsepower and 32 Newton-meters of torque, and a friendly seat height of just 800 millimeters. The displacement of 411 cubic centimeters also makes this motorcycle highway legal for those living in and around the Metro Manila area. The Himalayan retails for just P304,000, but buyers will have the option of adding P29,000 for the pannier rack and hard shell side bags. Number 3, Kawasaki Versys-X 300. Looking for a little bit of engine refinement when compared to the single-cylinder motorcycles on this list? The Kawasaki Versys-X 300 is the most affordable option for you. The 296 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine provides incredible smoothness to the feet and hands, which makes it great for a long-distance tour. Apart from this, the small displacement parallel twin is a very rev-happy engine which likes to be ridden hard, and this makes it a great choice for riders looking for a semi-sporty ride with enough flexibility to hop off-road when needed. The Versys-X 300 sells for only P270,000 and is already equipped with an anti-lock braking system, a large 17-liter fuel tank, an assist and slipper clutch, and a touring windscreen. Number 4, Honda CB500X. The Honda CB500X is perhaps the most friendly beginner ADV bike before we start to approach heavyweight territory. The CB500X's 471 cubic centimeters parallel twin with 49 horsepower is a very docile and friendly engine and makes the bike very easy to control on all road conditions. Being 471 cubic centimeters, the CB500X is fully highway legal, which may be a great selling point for riders traveling in and out of Metro Manila. On top of this, What makes the CB500X a great adventure bike for beginners would be the unquestionable Honda reliability, which makes it very trustworthy and easy to own. For P413000, you will also be getting a digital instrument panel, an adjustable touring windscreen, LED turn signals and taillights, and the Honda Intelligent Security System, HIS. Number 5 Suzuki V-Strom 650. The Suzuki V-Strom 650 is the most beginner-friendly adventure bike among the ADV heavyweights, and will be a fantastic choice for first-time adventure bike riders with prior riding experience. The V-Strom is generally a very balanced motorcycle. The throttle and brakes are very predictable and controllable, the suspension and wheels allow for a very balanced ride on or off-road, and it also has a very friendly seat height of just 830 mm, which makes this a great option for those who are starting out. Veteran riders will know of Suzuki's undisputed reliability and durability when it comes to the V-Strom 650. Beginning riders will be happy to know that the V-Strom is regarded as a bike that one can grow into. A bike which you can learn on, gain more experience with, making it a motorcycle which you can buy once and keep for a very long time. The Suzuki V-Strom 650 retails for P489000 and is equipped with a 645 cubic centimeters 4-stroke liquid-cooled engine and produces 66 horsepower and 58 nanometers of torque, where power is sent to the ground through a 6-speed transmission. The bike comes with other great features for adventure riding, including a digital gauge cluster, a 19-inch front wheel, a touring windscreen, and an anti-lock braking system for rider safety.